Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So I just received this box in my mailbox, and guess what? It's the Apple Magic Keyboard without the iPad M1 Pro. I've ordered both items at apple.com, but for some reason in Holland, I need to wait like 5 weeks before I get the actual item, which is very frustrating. If you ask me, just send them both. I've ordered them both and just send them both. So now I can just make an unbox video about the Magic Keyboard. So yeah, once I receive the iPad M1 Pro, obviously I'll just create the video about that product. But for today's video, it's just the Apple keyboard. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So let's pick up our beautiful knife in here and open this box. So I'm always worried about scratching any inside box, and I guess, okay, so I think Apple has done a great job by inventing these kinds of boxes. So if you just cut through it, you will not scratch the actual box. So that's something I do like about them. And if I and there you have it. Magic Keyboard for the 12.9 M1 Apple Pro. And guess what? It's the white version. I like this color because it's a new color in the Magic Keyboard line. Yeah, the previous Magic Keyboard was black. I could order that one as well, but I've chosen just to order the white one, just to see how this one looks, and yeah, and give it a review for you guys. So let's go ahead and open this one from here. And as usual, they made it very easy for us to open this box. And I guess if I just drop it, it goes open just like that. So it reminds me of unboxing the MacBook Pro because it's that slim. But at the same time, once I pick it out the box, I just realized it's not a MacBook because of the weight, obviously. So let's go ahead and unveil this wrap once again. And there we have it. The Magic Keyboard. It feels very soft on the surface. Yeah, once I have this thing in my hand, I realize that this thing can be filthy in just a moment. That's a no-brainer. So I hope I'll just keep it as clean as possible, but hey, you never know. Once you're working with it and yeah, you put it on your back, you go, if you are a student and you bring it to your school, put it on any surface, it will get dirty. So just remember that if you order the white one, it can be dirty over time. Obviously, they thought about cleaning it, so I think you just have to put a wet towel and you can clean it that way. But it's a whitish color and it can be very filthy and in a matter of time. So what we have here, just some books. There are no cables whatsoever. Yeah, obviously designed by Apple in California. The usual thing. We have here some books that maybe tells us how we can do, or how we can just work with this thing. And let's put that back actually and look to the actual keyboard. What we have here is Type-C connector, no lightning cable. So they thought about that as well. Obviously, if I had the iPad, that would also have a Type-C connector. Apple has chosen not to put the lightning cable in their iPad models. Furthermore, what we have here is this 3 dots. I think once you connect your iPad to this thing in here, it will get connected to this 3 dots. So there you have that. And yeah, it's basically a keyboard that reminds me a lot on the Magic Keyboard. So we have here a keyboard that has some travel time if we just type in the buttons. And overall, yeah, it's just a very clean keyboard that you can use it at the same time as a case for your iPad. And I think it's very beautiful. The only con in here is the fact that it's white and not black. Well, obviously I've ordered the white one by purpose, so yeah, there's that. And yeah, once I get the iPad, I'll make a video on how to connect both to each other, obviously. And that will be a much longer video, a much detailed video than this one. This was just the unboxing and tell you guys what my first impression is about this thing. And if I just give you a first impression, I think it's a very good looking keyboard. And thank you so much for watching this video. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. Thank you for your support. I'll read all your messages, all your comments. So keep sending those to me and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.